In this video, I'm going to show you how to group vocals in Cubase. Now to do this, first you want to create a new group channel track. So to do this, you want to go to an empty space over here inside your tracks, and you want to right click, and you want to go to where it says add group track. Now once you've done this here, you want to set the configuration so it's correct. So you want to set it to a stereo over here, and I'm going to keep it at stereo out. And the name for this, you can put whatever you want. I'm actually going to name this one vocal group. Okay, now once you do this, you can just click on add track button over here, and that's the first step you have to take. Now once you've done this, you then want to go and route your vocal tracks to this vocal group. To do this, you want to open up this mix console down here. So as you can see at the bottom, you want to go from whatever you're in to mix console, and now you're gonna have to basically turn this up a bit, make it a bit bigger. So to do this, you want to either slide this down, or you can just go in between here and then click and drag so you can see routing. Okay, now once you can see this routing over here, what you then want to do is go and set the stereo out, so the outputs to the group channel. So of course I want to do this for these two over here. The easiest way is going to be to just select your tracks by holding down your control key. So hold down the control key and click on the tracks you want to go and group. So of course the tracks which contain vocals, these are the vocal tracks. And then down here, you want to go to stereo out, and for each and every single one of them, go ahead and change stereo out to vocal group, okay? So once you've done this, that's really all you have to do, and yeah, that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.